We're going to do a POV drive today. Not only any other POV drive, we're going to stick a GoPro in right there. Right guys, let's listen to the VTEC right now. You can hear that raw VTEC. Let's hope it doesn't fly into the engine and blow up. The VTEC doesn't kick in, it literally, that GoPro will pick up that VTEC screaming just on at 6,000. This is why we're recording the POV as well, because we can play it at the same time. Oh, it's still there. It's alive. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. Just another angle of how the induction works in the K20 live GoPro, because I haven't seen a video of that when someone's giving it, but I just thought something interesting to see. If you guys like that, drop a comment down below and let me know if you want to see more videos, different sort of angle videos, and we can just stick a GoPro anywhere in the car. I mean, that's what they're made for, right? I'm gonna give you a bit of an update on the garage as well, see what car we're working on at the same time. Just turn this video into a vlog. If you guys kind of like that sort of style, just drop a comment as well. But let's go take a visit inside the garage. We've still got this Volvo. We're actually going to be putting it up for sale. For subscribers, I'll probably let it go for £1,000 the way the Volvo is. Before we sell it, we'll do like a final single POV drive of the Volvo. We want to utilise those on the project cars inside the unit. We've also bought 2 new vehicles, project vehicles as well. Skyline at the moment, literally just chilling right now. The Skyline is still parked, so we had a bit more space here now, so we can walk across. It was quite messy, to be honest, so we spent a bit of time doing that, and so we can access the Skyline a lot easier now. With the summer's here, we're just going to make more videos on the Skyline as we can. So we are going to do a few more POV drives of the Skyline, probably just like the video you've seen in the Type R GoPro inside there. The raw sound of the flutter that this Skyline will make, and even the screamer pipe. It'd be quite interesting to see. Like a lot of you guys been asking about the YZ250. It's been parked up. It is that time. Like I said, one of the vehicles that we have brought that's going to be revealed really soon this week is something that's going to help with the dirt bike and taking to places where we can actually ride it. No, I'm really excited to ride this again. I haven't started it for over probably 6 months. I have tried to start it up, but it didn't work. Apparently, you've got the fuel in the fuel tank and the fuel that is inside the carburetor, and if you don't take that out, and it stays there, it can jam the floater inside or the needle that's inside. You can put an air compressor or a tire pump and it'll just literally just blow all the stuff out, and just anything that's stuck inside it'll just blow it out and just make it moving again, and that way it'll be ready to start. But again, I'll make a video about this, an update on this real soon. We're not far off now, so I'm really excited about that. Updates on the Sora. Again, somebody commented that I haven't seen this for a while, because on the Skyline you can see, like, you can work on the Skyline because it's got concrete floor, and so you could jack up and everything. But with here, like where it hasn't got concrete here, it's all literally dirt, it just makes it a bit tough to jack it up into the air. Apart from that, if you guys got any more comments, just drop a comment down below. I'll make a move on the project cars real soon because I'm really excited. It's been a while. This all should have been planned before summer or spring even kicked in, to be honest. With patience comes virtue, I guess. So on that note, may the Almighty bless each and every one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.